words
God
mo.
forgive him.
God forgive him.
God bless him.
Yeah.
Kasi sa mga pinaggagawa niya sa akin, he knows exactly what he did to me.
Mhm.
He knows. He knows exactly what he did to me. Now, so dapat he must acknowledge the gravity, the grave injustice, the travesty of justice, yung pang-aapi niya. So kailangan siya talaga humingi ng katawaran, hindi lang sa akin kundi sa mahal na Panginoon. And you know, sinasabi ko to sa mga kaibigan ko, lahat ng mga may atraso sa akin na had a hand in placing me in jail. Hindi lang yung mga naging witnesses, yung mga nagpagamit, yung mga operators, yung mga lumapit dyan sa mga witnesses na yan. Actually, mga pinatawad ko na yan, matagal ko na mga pinatawad dyan. Yan, isa na lang ang hindi ko mapatawad. Praying that I be given the grace that one day I can forgive him. So in the meantime, ang Diyos na lang muna ang magpatawad sa kanya. We also talagang pinag-uusapan namin yan sa legal team. Talagang nandyan yan. Yung option na yan is napakalaking option yan na gagawin namin. Because as you said, it's really about justice. Iba yon, yung kahit pinatawad mo na halimbawa yung isang tao, kailangan mo pa rin na makamit yung hustisya. Kasi yung iniisip ko nga, kung wala akong gagawin, what will prevent future presidents, future leaders to be doing these things for vindictive, vengeful purposes? Sa mga na ginagawa ko lang naman yung trabaho ko. So it's a matter of justice na meron talagang reckoning dahil biniktima nila ako.
A day of
You can say that, yes. Yes, pinag-uusapan lang namin anong exactly yung mga kaso, kailan mga ipa-file. You know, so but as to the specifics, hindi pa namin talaga. Pero pinag-uusapan pa yan. Kasi ang naging focus talaga namin is itong paglaya ko.
Yes, ma'am. Of course,
Itong
That's understandable.
walang sala ako. Kasi isang kaso, even if ito ngayon may nabigyan tayo ng piyansa, ng provisional liberty, pero target pa rin talaga namin yung tuluyan ng basura yung kaso and
Yes,
something tantamount to acquittal.
Oh.
Hindi pa po namin pwedeng masabi kasi as I told you, pinag-uusapan ba namin yung mga exact or specific courses of action. There are several options, there are several remedies. Pero kailangan kasi hindi pwede naman na marami kaming file.
Yes, ma'am. That's true.
Pipiliin lang namin which ones would really best represent yung magnitude nung ginawa nila sa akin. And we would best redress the wrongs inflicted on me. Again, what's the question again?
Si
Sorry.
Secretary Aguirre po, are you also looking at going after him legally?
Oh, yes. Yes. But again, exactly what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
specific course of action, the specific case, that is under discussion.
Ma'am, dito, ma'am, dito. Ma'am, forward na konti. Yan.
Sa wakas, magkakalaya na po ako. For years, my whole being has been crying out for justice and freedom. For more than 6 long years, I've been praying so hard for this day to come. Nakakalaman po.
Other side.
Sakit. Ang
Taas lang, baka matubtog kayo.
Taas lang.
At
Sir,
ayaw
yung
ko
ano lang,
pong mangyari to sa iba. But I don't want to be sad or bitter today. This is a moment of triumphant joy and also of Thanksgiving. At gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan ng BBM administration for respecting the independence of the judiciary and the rule of law.
You've mentioned about surviving persecution. Do you plan to go after your persecutors? Do you plan to sue them? And your message to former President Rodrigo Duterte?
First, yung message ko kay former President Duterte, isa lang sabihin, God forgive him and God bless him. Yun lang muna ngayon. Marami pa akong pwedeng sabihin sa kanya. Pero wag muna. I don't want to be so, I don't want to be political sounding tonight because this is a moment of joy. This is, a triumphant moment for me. So I, as much as possible, I want to be gracious. And so yun na lang muna. God forgive him and God bless him. He knows what he did to me, I suppose.
Any plans of countersuing or what, or going after them?
Pag pinag-uusapan namin yan ng mga abogado ko, wala muna kami mga specific na mga pwedeng i-announce about that. There's always that option, but as to definite plans, pinag-uusapan yan. Of course, there will be, I need to do something also. A lot of things to do. Hindi po madali, napakahirap, masakit talaga kung ipakulong ka na wala kang kasalanan. And it's a matter of justice that those that need to be held accountable should be held accountable.